Ladies, we all know our worth, but sometimes it's easy to forget how much power we hold with our presence and our attention. The key here isn't about playing games, but about holding yourself to a standard that inspires respect, admiration, and genuine connection.
She's a force to be reckoned with.
Hey there, beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hope Amarachi, and on today's YouTube video, we'll be diving into a very important topic, a topic that is near and dear to so many women: how to make a man earn your attention. Ready to step into your power and make a man work for your attention in the most authentic feminine way? Let's get into it. So the first tip is all about setting boundaries. As women, we sometimes struggle with saying no, simply because we want to be more accommodating or to avoid conflict. But remember this, boundaries is all about self-respect. Boundaries shows self-respect, and any man who values you is ready and willing to respect them. Be clear about your standard from the very start. Whether it's about how you expect to be treated, how much time you are willing to invest, or even what relationship standard is a deal breaker for you. This isn't about being demanding. This is about showing that you value your time and your energy. When you set these boundaries early, you are showing the man that he is dealing with someone who values herself. And that is a very attractive trait or attractive quality. Tip number 2, prioritize your own life. Ladies, the best way to make a man earn your attention is by not giving all of it away. One mistake many of us make is putting a man on the pedestal too soon. Instead, focus on your own passion, your goals, and your friendship. Let this man see that your life is full and fulfilling without him. When a man sees that you are not constantly available or that you're not always by the cell phone, it creates a sense of intrigue. Trust me, that is when he will start to invest more in your time. By showing that you are your own top priority, you are giving him a reason to work harder to be a part of your world. Number 3, give praises sparingly but meaningfully. Now, I am not saying you shouldn't compliment or show appreciation. Men love that, but make sure your praise is genuine and meaningful. Men are used to being flattered, but when a compliment comes from someone they have worked very hard to impress, it holds more weight. When he does something thoughtful or when he goes out of his way to impress you, appreciate it. A simple "I appreciate how you did that" make him feel more special. It makes him feel like he has earned something very special from you, and believe me, it motivates him to do more. Number 4, embrace your mystery. Here is where a little bit of mystery works wonders. Don't reveal everything about yourself too soon. Allow him to discover you slowly over the time. This doesn't mean being distant or evasive, but it's about letting the relationship unfold at a natural pace. Let him be curious about you. Share your life and thoughts gradually, and by so doing, you're creating a sense of wonder. Men loves a challenge, and when you maintain an air of mystery, you are keeping him engaged and interested in learning more about you. Finally, consistency. One of the biggest ways to make a man earn your attention is by making it clear from the beginning, from the onset, that you are not willing or that you are not going to settle for anything less than effort over the time. If he is all in at the beginning but is starting to fade, don't make excuses for him. Hold him accountable to the same level of energy and interest he showed from the beginning. Action speaks louder than words, and if a man is interested in getting your attention, he would show up consistently. Don't be afraid to walk away if he doesn't match your level of effort, because someone who values you will be eager to meet you as where you are. So there you have it, ladies. 5 ways to make a man earn your attention. Remember, you are the prize and your attention is valuable. When you stand firm in your words and don't settle for less, you will attract the kind of respect, effort and admiration that you truly deserve. And that is all for today. Now don't forget to hit the like button, turn on post notification and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Please follow me on Instagram and leave a comment in the comment section below with your favorite tip, or if you have a tip you would like to share with us, do leave that in the comment section as well. See you in my next video. Until then, stay fabulous and don't settle for less than you deserve.